You'll get a turn with him, but you don't have to force him that. Now you'll get a turn.
He is so cute, Mom. Me and Matthew are so good, and the web HHDSONY. That's the weather today, and the number
Matthew.
is 60.
Matthew.
And it's so sweet.
No, don't put
here.
your hand over his mouth.
It's so sweet here that at our house it's so fun.
Are you gonna stop acting up?
It's so yo-yo fun that.
Come and apologize to your brother
so fun
because you
at
hurt
our
his
house.
face.
And Dad is at work, and we are here at home, and we're gonna have TV time then, and after TV time, we're
Say sorry to
lunch.
Matthew, please.
And then we're gonna have nap.
Okay.
And have a good time. Bye. Look at the camera.